Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Jamie Booth, and we do have a severe weather alert. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Burlington County as well as Ocean County and for areas for southern New Jersey. We've got these storms pushing in. You can see the shades of green and yellow indicating rain showers making their way through New Jersey, but there are also some lightning detected toward Hunterdon County. This storm doesn't have a severe thunderstorm warning associated with it, but it is certainly producing some dangerous and frequent lightning as well as some gusty winds. The severe thunderstorm warning is associated with this cell as we look a little closer toward Atlantic City and heading southwest of Philadelphia. So this cell, you can see it shaded in the shades of orange. This is going to continue to move to the northeast. These storms are moving very quickly, moving to the northeast 65 miles per hour, and they have the potential to produce 60-mile-per-hour winds or even higher. That is some intense wind. With that, you're getting some heavy drenching downpours, that's blinding rain, and you're also seeing these lightning bolts. It is radar detecting lightning within these storms. So this is a pretty dangerous situation. You just want to keep in mind as you go throughout your afternoon that we've got this line of storms pushing the area. This storm has moved out of Cumberland and it is pushing into Atlantic County, and this is the one that does have the severe thunderstorm warning associated with it, eventually making its way into Burlington County, and that other cell that's pushing through Philadelphia and toward Trenton, that's also going to push through Burlington County. All of this moving toward Ocean and then Monmouth. Again, these storms, in a little closer look, you can see the lightning bolts being detected, frequent dangerous lightning, heavy drenching downpours, localized flooding from these drenching downpours, and a big concern is the wind. The winds gusting over 60 miles per hour, and the storms themselves racing off to the north and east at about 65 miles per hour. Impressive movement with these. More storms behind this line that we had the severe thunderstorm warning associated with. These do not have warnings with them, but we still want to keep in mind we got about another hour to 2 hours of this severe threat, and the severe thunderstorm warning does continue until 3:15. So we're going to keep an eye on these, keep you updated. You want to keep it tuned to FiOS 1 News for sure as we keep monitoring these storms. The yellow shade is the area, central and southern New Jersey, that is under a tornado watch. Any of these storms have the possibility of producing some isolated tornadoes, short-lived tornadoes, but they do have that possibility. The areas in the counties, Burlington, Ocean County, Atlantic, and Cumberland all have that severe thunderstorm warning because those cells are moving through, putting down some intense rainfall rates, frequent lightning, and those gusty winds. This will finally move on through as we go later in the evening, but until then we really want to keep in mind that we have this threat. So we have a tornado watch. It is issued when weather conditions are favorable for severe storms that are capable possibly producing tornadoes. The biggest threat I think with these storms is the strong to severe nature of them. Gusty winds. You don't need a tornado to do some intense wind damage. We've already had this severe thunderstorm warning issued for us because these storms have the capability of producing winds gusting higher than 60 miles per hour. The flooding downpour is also a concern. You're out driving and we've got that snow melt and some ice jams, the snow melting out there, and the flooding downpours in the rain. It doesn't have anywhere for that rain to drain to, so it leads to some localized flooding. And we saw the lightning bolts on the radar, frequent lightning, and again some short-lived tornadoes a possibility. Continuing throughout the afternoon, we've been trying to get these temperatures to warm up northward, maybe a brief warm up, but look at the temperature difference, and that's what's really aiding in our severe weather today and activity as we go throughout the afternoon. 30s to the north, 61 in Toms River. That's going to start cooling down as that storm pushes through the area here momentarily. Satellite and radar aligned, showing the cold front finally going to push on through later in the evening. It'll be out of here. It looks better tonight, but you certainly want to keep it tuned to FiOS 1 News.